Hey, I'm Isil Khan, and in this video we will be learning about the volume determination by using an Autocad. Autocad can be used to find the volume and mass properties of any type solids, whether it's complex or simple solid. CAD has no issue working out the mass properties of solids. For example, as you can see, I got different types of solids. Some are simple and a few are complex. And let's say I'm gonna use the mass properties function on this simple box, for which we will type and enter mass properties, or you can just type MASSPROP, which is the short command for the mass properties, and the command bar. Then if you don't know what to do, just look at the command bar. Autocad is asking to specify an object. This time we have the same box, so we will click on this guy and then press enter. As you can see, we got a window showing different types of properties of the same box with volume as well. That's simple, right? Now let's try the same function on the complex solid. Again, typing MASSPROP in the command box, then we'll click the solid and press enter, and that's it. Here is the volume in the shown dialog box. And finally, what if I need to determine the brickwork of the shown building? Of course, it's the same thing, okay? Just type MASSPROP in the command bar and then press enter. Now specify the solid related to the brickwork, for which let me take its window. And here I'm going to deselect the base, which is not brickwork, of course. Which means we have to only specify the solids related to the brickwork, okay? Alright, when you are done with selection, just press enter, so the mass properties dialog box will appear. As you can see, the brickwork is shown in form of volume, and that's it. This is how we do calculate volume by using CAD.